Hi, I'm Jordy Edmiston, Global Product Manager with McLanahan Corporation. Today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our apron feeder that we currently have going through our shop in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. Apron feeders feature a rugged steel beam mainframe construction which is built to withstand extreme impact loading while still providing reliable service. We manufacture them in standard sizes but also tailor them to the application. Depending on the size, which in this case you can see they are sectionalized to provide economical shipping and installation cost, or to allow installation underground and ease of movement through the mine shaft and tunnels. Apron feeders are highly effective in all types of applications as they are great at metering material at a constant flow rate for your downstream process. They are equipped with a large machined 1045 hot rolled steel head shaft assembly featuring a reversible 3-piece odd-toothed chain drive sprocket, which are keyed and bolted to the shaft. This segmented sprocket allows 1/3 to be removed at a time without having to break the chain. This allows for double the wear of the sprocket before a complete replacement is necessary. The head shaft assembly is supported by large anti-friction sealed bearings rated at 100,000 hours. The bearing housings are bolted to the frame to resist severe pull-out loads. The tail idler take-up assembly incorporates a screw-type take-up and features sealed for life dozer idlers to provide maintenance-free return of the chain and flights to the working surface of the apron feeder. A dozer chain is used for its strength and reliability in harsh environments and is carried by lifetime lubricated dozer type rollers. The rollers are closely spaced in the hopper area to prevent chain sag under heavy loads. Sections of the support channel are removable to provide ease of roller replacement should the need arise. On the return side of the apron feeder, crawler tractor type rollers are also lifetime lubricated. These are replaceable from the outside of the frame for simplified maintenance. The apron feeder flights can be supplied in cast manganese steel or form steel to fit the duty requirements of the application. Both flights are designed with overlapping beads to reduce the leakage of fines and provide a corrugated surface to grip the material being conveyed. Wear pads are cast on the bottom sides as an extra wear surface in the event the flight deflects to impact the rail under loading. Impact rails are installed under the flights in both the loading and strike-off areas to prevent permanent deflection of the flights. Apron feeder drive systems can be supplied in electromechanical or hydraulic drive to match the duty and the requirements of the application. A TADS hydraulic drive is also an available option. The apron feeder comes with standard e-stop pull cords and a 0 speed sensor. Optional features include a dribble belt or a drag scraper to capture any material that may filter through the flights. With sealed for life undercarriage components and oversized head shaft bearings, the maintenance requirement on the McLanahan apron feeder are minimum. They truly are the feeder of choice for decades of reliable service.